What up, YouTubes? Got a new toy. Thought I'd show you guys while I actually had it. I traded my old sled, which was a 05 900 RMK, and traded up for this here RMK. It is a 06 chassis. I believe the motor in it is a 2010 Dragon 800 motor. So that's quite the step up. It also came with this little guy here. So that should be a fun little step up. When I traded it, the dude told me he had it running the weekend that he bought it, and then he never had it running after that. So I figured, hell, it's probably something small and hopefully easy to fix. And this is what we drained out of the gas tank. Some rank shit. I actually think I got carbon monoxide poisoning after we fired it up. And we hotboxed my shop. But it does run after siphoning the fuel out and putting some better fuel in it. Fired right up. So quite the different rig. Oh, what's going on with this plastic here? Anyways, there are a few things that it needs. I am gonna get new shocks, or at least some rebuilt ones. And then I'll do quick little tune-up, new plugs, new fuel filter, and the pull cord, because I ripped that right out of it. Almost went through that wall right there. But other than that, just a few little dinky things here and there. I can tell it, I mean, it wasn't a babied sled, but I'm fine with that, because that way I don't feel like I'll have to be careful with it too much. But now it's time to get some snow and peel all these stickers off of here, because that's what I do. I don't like stickers on stuff. I don't know why. Except for the Jeep, I got a few stickers on that, but nothing like this. That's ugly. Looks like my kids colored that on. But gearing up to go coyote hunting in the morning. So gotta go kill some dogs. Anyways, thought I'd show you the new setup. Should be fun to go ripping when we get some snow. So later.